We will be able to see our screen on our screens if we are on live. I'm going to go and place it on gallery view. And I think we are set to go live. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, nice background, Osman.
Thank you. I'm in the streets.
Yeah, that did you know that the one in, was it like in Minnesota, that that black guy who was murdered, you know?
Oh, yeah.
That is horrible. He was already telling the police guy that, you know, he cannot breathe.
Guys, I think we're live.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Good evening,
Hello.
everyone.
It's
So, how are you guys?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Was there like a cat? Oh, we're on.
Those are my cats.
We're online.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Share it. I don't see us live.
We're live, right?
Okay.
I think we're live.
Yeah.
We're live. We're live. Dun, 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 dun,
Hi,
dun.
Alan, Asaron. Good evening. Oh, Isabel is online watching us. Hi, Isabel. Also, Kuya Jimmy. Hello, mayong gabi mo, Kuya Jimmy. And si Miguel. Hi, Miguel.
Hey guys, if you want to join us, I think you can just click the link, the Zoom link there, and we would love to have you around if you just want to chill with us for tonight. What are we going to be talking about, pala?
Anything under the rain. I mean, it's so weird because it's like every time I open my my phone and parang nagdo-double sound. Hello, good evening. Hi, DGTV crew from Miguel. Hi, Miguel.
Hey, Miguel, we miss you.
Come on, man, join us.
Yeah, why don't you join us, Miguel?
Yeah, join us.
Just click on the you know what, guys, kung gusto niyo sumali, pwedeng just click the link, nakalagay dun sa poster, yung Zoom link. So just click the link and you can join us.
Yes.
Alan, join us sa Zoom. Maki-Zoom ka sa amin. Nahihiya yata yung iba. So, Osman.
Yes. How's life? How's everyone handling the situation, staying in the house for like 3 months straight?
Oh,
yeah.
3 months now.
I think I became an introvert.
3 months.
Yeah, I think more than 3 months actually.
Wow. It's been a while, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while. And we used to be together almost every day. And
I know we had a lot of plans for this DGTV, that were hampered, but of course not stopped. Medyo madi-delay lang. We're hampered by the COVID-19 pandemic. The most important thing is that everyone is safe during this trying times. I don't know. I'm enjoying the feels now of. I'm kind of getting used to being at home.
Okay, joining.
Oh, Miguel's joining us.
Hello, Miguel. Join us. Where's he going to join us? He's going to be beside you, or is he going to go use his own laptop?
He's going to be beside me. That sounds so weird, Osman. That sounds so wrong.
My bad. I know. Oh my God. Okay. Moving on.
Hi, Mary Rose. Justo and Mary Tagaribay. Hello, Mary Rose. Join us. Just click. Sabi ni Allen, nagpapakain lang daw siya ng mga Junakis. I like the term Junakis.
Junakis mo para masaya.
Join din ang mga Junakis para tama.
Di ba?
So, Wendell, how are we going to choose the winners tonight? Kasi it's so random.
Yeah, it's going to be random. So, I'm going to have to check their names here. So far, we have 13,000 people. How am I going to pick 13,000 people? Now, I'm actually listing the names of people who join us for tonight's live session. What are we going to
Alberio. Wait. Hi, Paul! Alberio, si John Paul. Maayong gabi. Nimo regards ko sa imong mama o si Ate Rochelyn Fuentes. You know, I haven't seen Ate Roch in years. Hi, Ate. How are you? Maayong gabi, Nimo. Nice. We're connected.
Yeah.
Baka naman,
So weird. Everyone's using now videos again, Zoom all over the place.
Everyone is using Zoom, man. Everyone is using Zoom. We have 18 people right now that's joined us live. Guys, those 18 people, you know this Zoom call that we're doing now, we can actually have more than 100 people logged inside all together. Join us if you have the time. Click the link that we have. I'm gonna post the link sa comment section para mukhang wala yata.
Yes. Yeah, post. Si Christy Bantugan. Hi, mayong gabi, Christy. Si Albert is watching. Albert sa Beam and Go. Hi, Albert. Good evening. Wanna join us? Come on.
Hey, Albert, join us so that we can introduce your project. It's a very nice project. I'm posting the link on the comment section. There you go.
Si Xavier Panol. Hi, X! Namimiss ko na. You know, si X, siya yung kasama ko palagi sa HP Print. So, hi, X. Namimiss na kita. And sabi ni Mary Rose, Ma'am, nosebleed po ako. Uy, Tagalog kami dito. Si Osman na magno-nosebleed sa atin.
Last sentence mo, Arian, was medyo... tawag na nakakapanibago. You said, namimiss ko na si X.
Oh.
X kasi his name is Xavier.
Oh.
So X.
Oh. Oh, we got it wrong.
X. Yeah, his name's X.
Oh, okay.
X. Para magpakita ka, para maniwala sila.
Oh, join us. I had someone post the link to this Zoom call. So I'll be the one approving it naman. So I'll be notified. Come on.
Si Bing Capero. Good evening, Bing. Thank you for watching. You can join us. Just click on the link. Pinost na ng Tinig ng Marino. Oh, hi, Daddy, Tita Arian and Tito Osman. It's me, Angela. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Angela. Hi, baby girl. You want to join us?
Yes.
You're just in the other room.
Good evening, Bing.
The more, the merrier.
The more, the merrier.
The merrier.
100 people. Good evening to Chard Bing Capero. Join us.
To have like at least 10 people in this one video conference.
See, may evidence na nag-message X. X is my nickname.
Okay.
Show us the face. Come on, join us in this call.
X, join us here. Click mo yung link para makasama ka namin. Makita nilang totoo kang tao.
Yeah. Oh, Mary Rose Tagaribay. Sabi niya, nakakatuwa naman po dito manood, ma'am. Well, mas nakakatuwa to pag sumama ka sa amin, Mary Rose, during this live Zoom call. Chill lang naman. We're gonna be talking about what? Anything under the sun siguro. We just wanted to step away from the business that we had during this ECQ, this quarantine. And don't be scared about kay Osman. Friendly yan.
Oh, alam ko Tagalog. Basta hindi sobra.
Hindi naman nangangagat si Osman. Oh, nag-freeze na si Osman.
Am I frozen?
You froze.
Oh, sorry.
The last time, I think yesterday ba yon yung Kapihang Marinero? Si Miguel was getting competitive. Akala niya yung nagha-heart, yung sister ko kasi heart. So siya din heart siya, tapos magha-heart yung sister ko, magha-heart din siya. And eventually, he found out that it was actually Raycon, yung pamangkin ko, naka-kompetensya niya, not my sister.
Yesterday's Kapihang Marinero was a good one. We had close to, I think, around 280 people who watched us live all throughout that segment. So it was a good show. Congratulations, Arian, and our seniorities.
Yes.
So, nanonood si... galing kay Glenn Indoyan Gupana. Hi, ma'am, sir. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Watching from Butuan City. Maayong gabi, Glenn. Di ba Bisaya sa Butuan, no?
Just to be safe. Good evening.
At saka kay Kebs De Jesus. Hello, ma'am Aaron. Hi, Kebs. Good evening. Oo nga, baka no? Pero pag Bisaya, marunong ako mag-Bisaya. What other dialect can you speak?
Ako, just Bisaya and Tagalog. Again, just like what I tell my friends, kasabot ko, kabalo ko magsulti gamay, kaya lang way angay. Yun. I wasn't born and I wasn't raised there. So, 1.5 years in General Santos City back in high school. Tapos, I can understand a bit of Kapampangan. But yun lang, tatlo. Tagalog, Kapampangan, and Cebuano.
And Osman?
3 only. I mean, Arabic, English, and Taglish. I can't say Tagalog because I'm not that fluent.
Taglish is not even a dialect, Osman.
Osman, Arabic is not a dialect. It's a language.
What? Oh, yeah.
Uy, may mga nanonood na veteran seafarer sa atin. Si Rene Ranara at Junjun Salarda. Good evening po, mga sir.
Hello. Thank you for watching. We're just getting warmed up, guys. So we're waiting for those who want to join us. Feel free. Again, we have all the time in the world right now. It's actually raining, no? Ewan ko, sa inyo ba umuulan?
Yeah, it's raining here. Parang malakas yung ulan.
Oh, actually, na-realize ko yun na yung reason kung bakit tayo naka-hoodie. No?
I want to show you my
Oh, wow. So cool.
Right?
That dark fader? I mean, dark fader. There we go.
Yeah.
Star Wars fan, spotted.
Star Wars. Kaya nga yung nickname ng anak ko, Jar Jar. Hi, Riza. Watching from Davao. Maayong gabi, Riza. Okay, galing kay sabi ni Glenn, opo, ma'am, Bisaya ang Butuan, taga Mindanao. Makasabot ko nimo, di ko pwedeng mabaligya, diha. Kaya ko Bisaya. Si Osman na atong mabaligya.
Lagi, si Osman lang atong mabaligya.
Yes, I'm mabaligya, whatever that means. Oh, man. What's the meaning? Translated. I'm like lost now.
No, because there's always, like when you're new to a province here in the Philippines, and they joke around, diba, na if you don't understand the dialect or the language, then you can be sold. So we're actually auctioning you already.
Behind my back? I mean, in front of my face.
Not even behind your back, like in your face. Galing kay Paul Alberio, good evening po sa inyo, ma'am and sir. Oh, no. Wawi! Hi, Wawi! Hi, from Herminilda Labor. Hi, Arian, watching from Cortez, Bohol. Ate Bred. Hi, Ate Bredy! Good evening! Keep safe, mga seafarers daw. Yes, keep safe. Then, kamo po diha, Ate Bredy, sa Bohol. Sa Cortez.
Good evening.
Thank you for watching. So, mag-ano na tayo. Wendell, you're keeping track, si Wendell is keeping track of all the viewers tonight kasi mamaya mamimigay kami ng load.
Yun, no? Oh. Wait lang, ha?
Yes.
Sige lang. Tuloy nyo lang yung kwentuhan saglit.
So, may napapansin ba kayo na pareha sa aming tatlo? Do you see something that the three of us have in common right now?
Wendell's hiding, but just I gotta wait for a while. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, because yung plug nung computer na stuck sa ilalim.
So,
anyway.
What do you notice na the three of us have in common?
Okay.
Kasi yung unang makakasagot may 100 pesos na load. What is it that the three of us have in common? Ding, ding, ding.
Aside from the fact that we are all good-looking individuals. You have confidence, man. I told you. Confidence is key.
Si Osman nga eh. Ito, kay Perseus Apol Acosta Lamprea. Hello, good evening po. Good evening, Perseus. And Mariflor, mayong gabi ni mo diha, Mariflor. So first question of the night, what is it that the three of us, Wendell, Osman, and I have in common ngayong gabi?
Yes.
Sabi ni Glenn Indoyon Gupana, mayog yun ma'am, dilig yung ka mabaligya kay bisdak di ay kakayo, bisdak chuko, bisdak and proud. Proud ko nga Bisaya ako kay ang mga Bisaya ko no nga bayi, mga buutan. Di ba, Miguel?
Mga babae lang ba ang buutan na Bisaya? Hindi mga lalaki rin. Bisaya ako.
Yes. Oh, from Titus John C. Vapistar, you have the same hoodies po. Okay. Congratulations, Titus.
Pangalan, Titus. Hold on. I'm tracking. Titus. Sige, Titus, you won. Ano na panalo ni Titus? Portable
100
rep.
pesos load. Titus, please PM us, Tinig ng Marino DGTV kung ano yung number mo para mapasa yung load. Because unless gusto mo ng phone pal, pwede mo ilagay sa chat group.
Yes.
Miguel said, Arian has no hoodie. No. Hi, Val. Val is watching. Hi, Val. Roger, may nanalo na po. Jacket, sweatshirt. Miguel, wag ka nang kontrabida. Kay Xavier, panel, sweater. Madami nagsagutan. Ano to? Na-delay ba yung ano natin?
Yung ating So guys, ganito. It's easier. Mas madali pa lang matrack yung names nila kapag they actually press the heart button. So I encourage you guys, so that you qualify when we pick the names randomly later. Bigyan nyo ng heart tong actual na session natin para pusuan nyo para matrace namin lahat ng names nyo agad. Tapos live nating idodroto. Meron tayong gagamitin na online tool na pipiliin yung mga names ng mga pwede nating winners, na mananalo ng ano pa mga pamimigay natin nga, portable ref, pocket size na washing machine, at saka
Pocket size washing machine.
You guys will be able to win cell phone loads, which are very vital during these times.
Yes. Can I give a special shout out?
Go.
Sure.
Oh, shout out to Rosaline. It's a really nice. I mean, hello, good evening. Send my regards to Christine and to your family. And I'd like to give a shout out to David Lim, Amin's friend. Hey, David. Hope you enjoy the show. You might win. Okay, back to the pocket size ref.
Something guess it. Can we get rid of?
No. Di ba ang ganda nun, no? Imagine mo if you have a pocket size ref, no? What if dumating tayo sa time na ganun that you have a pocket size ref? When you open, you can bring it anywhere. You get hungry, right? Madalas tayo on the road. We get hungry. All right, I got a cake. Osman's cake will fit right there.
Miguel, Osman's cake, oh.
Yes.
Uy,
Yeah,
sabi ni...
Cake.
Say, time out, sabi ni Titus, no need, mom. Just give it to the frontliners and seafarers who need load for today. Wow, ang generous. Wow. Salute to Titus. Para daw makakommunicate sila sa families nila.
Grabe.
It's really nice how when you as simple as this, parang it's very heartwarming na may mga tao na they'd rather give it away to someone else, Shout out to seafarers of MV Shin Sanyu Maru from Raisa Grace Kayaban and from Heart Lioness watching from Cyprus. Wow!
What time is it now in Cyprus? Siyempre, hindi ko mag-google di ba?
Oo nga, di ba? Oo nga, Heart Lioness, anong time ang Cyprus ngayon? Oh, nawala si Osman.
I am back. Sorry, the weather, I think because of the thunderstorms and the rain, my internet connection is a bit hazy.
Osman, anytime of the day, you have the fastest internet connection in the world.
I wish.
Si Raisa Grace Kayaban, watching from Iloilo City. Ay, namiss ko na, Iloilo.
Yeah, have you been in Iloilo na? How many times?
I've been to Iloilo actually 3 times.
They say mga Ilonggo malalambing yan. 'Di ba?
Malalambing talaga. Unfortunately daw kasi pupunta akong Iloilo, it's like 3 times, but all those 3 times lang ako, airport office.
Oh.
Yeah, so I from the airport and then I have a meeting and then balik na naman Manila. So I haven't really I haven't had the time to enjoy Iloilo.
Oh.
Although alam ko masarap ang food nila.
I always get like a gift from my friend from Iloilo. He brings like box of square cakes. They're really good from Iloilo. Shout out to Renz if he's going to be watching. Yeah.
Shout out sa barkong Morning Emma. Nasa Bataan sila ngayon. Hello, hubby. Ingat. Keep safe. Kati Brady. Ang sweet naman. Nga, tinuod nga. Love team. Sir, ma'am, ngayon ba yung draw sa most memorable maritime photos?
Most memorable maritime photo. Yes, actually, if you want to join us now, join us. We'll add your names to the list.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Share nyo nga, sir, yung sa comment, yung personal most memorable maritime photo. Pasilip kami. And what makes it memorable?
Plus, we can show it, right?
Ang cute ni Angela. Ang galing-galing ng live. It's me again, Angela.
Yeah, my daughter's been learning how to use social media and she uses her mom's account. So paminsan, I get confused who's actually saying who I'm actually talking to, no? That's how technology nowadays is. When I was 7 years old, I don't even know how to use a computer. Sa labas lang ako. Uuwi ako pagka dugyot na ako. Pero ngayon yung mga bata, grabe. At the age of 6, kayang mag-computer, kayang gumamit ng cellphone. Grabe.
Grabe, actually, at the age of 6, I think I was, pa lang, eating pa rin,
Osman, at 6
Hello from
years old.
Glizan Bugas Lagrosa. Hello po sa inyo. Galing kay Titus. God bless po. Kudos to all frontliners. Thanks for making us safe. And to all seafarers, mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay ka rin, Titus. From Iloilo pala si Titus. Yeah. Sabi ni Raisa, pagbalik mo, padala ko ng butterscotch for Willow and kids. Oh, thank you!
Ay, teka, Raisa. Kinakalimutan mo kami. Dapat kami din meron. Ano naman si may favoritism ka.
Galing kay Xavier. Miss you too, Ma'am Marian. Miss ko ingay niyo. Hi to Sir Miguel. He's watching. Miguel. Hi daw kay Hi, X. X.
Hi, X. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin niyang hi, X na yan. Baka batukan ako ng misis ko eh. Hi, X. Sino yung binabati mong X, ha?
Bakit maraming X and Ys? Si Osman.
I don't want to say anything. Wala.
Keep safe daw, sabi ni Xavier.
Talaga ba? Oh, we have 15 people that have napinusuan na so far yung ating ano. So we have like 15 people that can qualify. You want to pick a name now?
Sure, why not? Uy, Paul, Andrew Samonte. Hi, Drew. Miss you.
Oh, sige. I'll add their names na dito and then I'll share my screen later. And share ko yung screen ko.
Okay.
Ano ang meron sa ating what are we gonna have this week? What can our viewers expect from us this week sa Tinig ng Marino DigiTV, guys? Arian, wanna do the honor?
On Saturday, guest ng Woman Up Bisdak, si Mr. Luke Mejares.
You know.
So, sa mga fans ni Mr. Luke Mejares, join us 4:00 p.m. ngayong Saturday.
Ano to, jamming?
Baliktad pa. Siyempre, hindi ako pwedeng mag-jam kasi hindi ako pwedeng kumanta, di ba?
Dapat jamming sessions para enjoy, gawin din natin ganito, baka mas marami tayong what's your favorite South Border song?
South Border song?
Osman, do you even know what South Border is?
Somewhere in Paranaque? I don't know. No.
Glisan Bugas. Wait, time out. Glisan Bugas Lagrosa, pa-shoutout po kami dito sa boarding house namin sa 671 Santa Potenciana Street, Intramuros, Manila. Hi, Glisan, tsaka sa mga kasama mo dyan. Keep safe po. Ano, Wendell?
Naayos ko. Naayos ko.
My friend online. Wait, it's cutting. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Yes, we can see you.
Yo, shout out to GA. GA is watching. Hey, GA. Thanks for the support, bro.
Sino si Jay?
Gershwin. Malabanan. I can't pronounce. Sorry, my Tagalog's broken.
Galing kay Rudy Galedo. Good evening po. God bless. Regards to paring Nelson Ramirez. Regards ko po kayo kay Papa.
Si Tatay. Grabe.
Oo nga eh. Ka-text ko kanina si Papa kasi nagpapatulong ako kung ano yung magandang itanim sa backyard.
Ano ba?
Sabi ni Titus, favorite daw niya na South Border Toys kahit kailan.
Yan, kahit sino
Kantahin
naman.
Mo nga. Kantahin nyo nga.
Sorry, I like songs, but songs did not like me back. Wala akong talent dyan. Hindi, meron.
Hindi,
Hindi lang halata. Hindi, wala talaga. Osman, I think, has talent in singing.
Yeah.
Osman.
I got the voice, but I can't sing.
Hindi, dati, pag nagka-carpool ako kay Osman, Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Yes, it was so cool. Memories. Those were good times. Now we have it.
It was only a few months ago.
I know, it's like a few months ago. It feels forever. Everything feels forever when you're stuck home for like 3 months.
For 3 months, no?
Oh, Wendell, baka mamaya may litrato ka na namang lumabas dyan, ha?
Wala. Safe tayo, safe. Kinlose ko lahat. Okay, nandito na yung mga names. Randomly picking the names who will win 100 peso load. I'm gonna click the first winner na, ha? And who did win the 100 peso load?
Yes!
All right.
Congratulations, Kev.
Kev, congratulations.
Yan. Oh, guys, again, yung for those that logged in late and saw us late, pusuan nyo lang yung actual na live session na to para I can get your names. And you will be qualified for the game today. Yung mga nakapuso, so far, we have 16 people na pinusuan na yung post natin. Si Ambid Marina, nandito na naman. Ambid Marina won last time, di ba?
Si Marina.
Yeah, si Marina.
Sabi ni Glenn, ma'am, hindi ko mapasok sa comment yung pics ko. Pwede po magpaturo. Pasensya na po. Baka hindi pwede pag dito, no?
PM mo nga sa amin, ma'am. Sir, PM nyo sa amin sa page.
Paki-PM na lang po.
I-share namin. Share namin ngayon. PM nyo sa page ngayon. May nakaabang naman marireceive natin. Tapos tingnan natin and what makes it memorable.
Sabi ni Mr. Rudy Galedo, thank you po ma'am. Kasama ko si Papa mo sa Rotterdam dati. Wow! Medyo matagal na po yun, sir. Buti po naalala niyo pa si Papa. Sabihin ko po kay Papa mamaya. Te-text ko siya. Ano na naman yan?
What's that saying?
I accidentally posted.
Secret winner.
Winner of what?
I'm enjoying the sound.
What are you doing?
I enjoy the sound, guys. Okay, so aside from Aryan, aside from the Woman Up Bistak on Saturday, do we have any other shows that will show up on our page within this week?
On tomorrow, we're going to actually have kasi this one is pre-recorded. We're going to have an episode with Andrea and Isabel, and we're going si Osman na Papa.
Am I hanged?
No. So we're going to actually talk about the dangers of because like many people, many seafarers now and their families. And actually marami talagang mga Filipinos ngayon affected ng COVID. And the more na may need minsan na nag-a-arise, nandun naman yung maraming mga nangluloko. Na mga scammers. So we're going to talk about the dangers, ganun, kung ano yung mga red flags na dapat parang signs na yung pinapasukan mo hindi na pala legal. So, Andrea, si Mrs. Daguno, buti ko siya matawag na Wendell Daguno dahil yung name niya. So, si Andrea and Isabel Can. So, we're going to talk about that. And then, on this afternoon po, in case you missed it, we had an episode then with Dr. Suzy Rojas. She's our psychologist sa group. And we were talking about, taking the first step. Kasi diba like matagal na stagnant tayo sa because of the COVID. So paano yung paglalabas ka na, you take the first step to going back to the regular routine. And then Friday, where Boom Up will be live. Kasama natin si Mrs. Andrea Daguno, si Isabel Can, and Attorney Mel, at saka si Dr. Suzy Rojas.
We need to add in psychologist, Dr. Suzy Rojas. Yes.
Yes.
And
I understand.
One tip for the online scammers: if ever you have something that always sounds too good to be true, it is always a scam. Nothing comes that easy, and just be extra careful, especially in this, hard times.
That's true.
Yung tipong invest ka lang ng 100 pesos, ang tama nito mga 1 million pesos. That's right. And then of course at the same time, syempre check mo rin who's your source for these kinds of investments. It's always important kasi diba when someone offers you an investment, the most important thing is the trust part. So do you really trust the guy? If it's a total stranger, mukha ba siyang katiwa-tiwala or something like that. I mean, not to judge anyone. Syempre, sabi nga ng wife ko, just to give you guys an idea, sabi ni Andrea, when someone offers an investment, you have a responsibility to actually check it and do your own research as well. So regardless if it's too good to be, it's too good, that's more important for you to actually study rin before you jump into an investment. So yan, maganda yung topic na yan sa topic niya, Arian. So I'm gonna be looking forward to watching it.
Me too.
Yes, lalo na ngayon na people are actually looking for new businesses to invest in, the new norm. So the fear, actually personally, sinabi my fear is like yung lalo na yung mga seafarers talagang nagiging target kasi ng mga maraming scammers, madaming mga manluloko. Kaya, yeah, hope you watch this. Hi, Glenn! Oh, how cute!
Mo sa amin na most memorable, most memorable maritime photo. Right. Nice.
Very cute.
Nice, Glenn.
Wow. Nice.
Ang
cute ng mga anak mo, ah.
It's cute.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Actually, I think as a seafarer's daughter, that photo really strikes me kasi syempre pag nasa barko yung tatay mo, nakakamiss talaga. Kasi lalo na maraming mga school events na hindi naman palaging nandoon yung tatay mo. Ganyan. And for Glenn, yung nakasama niya dyan, yung mga anak niya sa trabaho niya, I am very, very sure it's a very, very big deal. Kaya yun ang pinaka-memorable na maritime photo niya.
And syempre for kids, di ba? For kids to get to see their dad in action, nakaka-proud yan. Merong jumo-join sa atin, si Joe Exotic. Admit natin, join natin.
Oh, that's my friend. That's my friend, Joe Exotic.
Joe Exotic. Sige.
Yeah.
Joe video because we would love to have you around.
My friend Joseph, he's
Yeah.
half American, half Filipino from Hawaii.
Nice.
Hello. I mean, sorry, I forgot.
Glenn, thank you for sending us your photo. It's really nice to actually have some sort of a memorabilia with your kids in your workplace. Napakaganda. Heartwarming.
And I hope that your kids realize how hard the job is, and talagang ang mga seafarers talagang bayani ng bayan. I mean, I know na you hear that a lot, but it's really tough being away from your family. And then at the same time, pag habang nagtatrabaho sila doon, they're actually, I think na hindi na-realize sa ibang seafarers is they're actually paving the way for younger Filipinos to be na gusto maging seafarers. Kasi pag nasa barko sila, ang pangalan nila hindi naman yung pangalan lang talaga nila mismo, but also they're representing our country, and that means a lot to the industry. Most memorable. Miguel, I'm getting nervous.
Miguel, message your page.
Galing ha, shout out po, please, to a seafarer celebrating. Wait, time out. Galing kay Armili Daglabor. Shout out to a seafarer celebrating birthday today, Mr. Yul Bantugan, husband and from Boy and Rich Arias. Happy birthday, Mr. Yul Bantugan. Happy birthday. Osman, you can sing that. Happy birthday
to you. All three of us should sing together. Come on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Yul Bantugan. Happy birthday po sa iyo, sir. Salute.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. We're waiting for Miguel's photo. I saw he messaged the page.
Yeah, Miguel, what photo are you going to see?
So we can share. While we're waiting for the most memorable photos of Miguel, let's draw another winner for today.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Again, these are the names of people na pinusuan yung ating live for tonight. Now I'm gonna pick one winner that will win a portable refrigerator. Dun, 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 dun.
Miguel.
Miguel said even
Guys,
we should redraw.
Yes,
we should redraw.
This is not fabricated. This is
automatic.
Randomly picked.
Automatic.
Congratulations, Miguel Angel Rocha, for winning 100 pesos. Load.
And since Miguel was the one who was drawn, can you draw again, Wendell?
Yes. Can't have Miguel win. It's not fair to the audience.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's draw again. Again, Miguel will be sharing that to a frontliner who needs the load.
Yeah.
Let's draw another name. And the winner is dun, 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 dun.
Charlize Joy Teking Nievet.
Congratulations, Charlize.
Congratulations, Charlize. PM us your phone number and we will send you the 100 peso load for the night. Ayan.
Guys, sabi ni Glenn, thank you po. Oo, mababait po mga anak ko. College na po sila ngayon.
Oh,
2009
wow.
pa yun na photo. Wow!
Congratulations. Wow.
Okay.
Ang sarap naman pakinggan, mababait yung mga anak niya. Oh!
Oh,
Who's that guapo guy?
Yeah. And
sharp.
then there's a memorable.
Wow.
Who's that guapo guy over there?
Very
You know what I
good.
remember that painting that Miguel showed us
Yes.
last time?
He did add that painting on.
Wait,
That's a really
what
cool
did I
photo.
win? Hi, Cheska, Lyra. Hi, sabi niya, hi, Arian. Hi, Cheska. Good evening.
Good evening,
Wow
Cheska.
naman, so guwapo naman this guy.
Say about this photo.
Captain Miguel.
What makes this memorable? Out of curiosity.
What makes that memorable daw, Miguel?
Yes, we have to have backstory.
There has to be a backstory with this one.
Was it
And then this
Arian
one.
that took the photo? Oh, no.
No,
Oh.
it wasn't me.
So sharp.
So, CF Sharp. I So guwapo
Right.
naman that guy.
Guys, again, if you want to send us some photos too of your memorable maritime experience, memorable maritime photo, please do so. Just PM nyo lang po yung page natin and then it will be sent to us while we're doing this live. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other announcements, Arian? While we're nearing the 1 hour mark na of doing this live session, call?
That's it so far. So abangan nyo po tomorrow yung episode with Isabel and Andrea ng Woman Up. Maganda siya. It's really very helpful kasi there's really a step-by-step parang questions that you should ask yourself to know if what you're participating in is legal or not. And then Friday nga on live, the Woman Up ladies. And then Saturday also, the Woman Up Bisdak ladies with Mr. Luke Mejares. So I hope to see you po.
Yeah.
So
One last. And then again, we would want you, to those that are watching and continuously tuning in to our live shows or segments that we produce right now. These are just the beginning of what we're going to have moving forward. No, marami pa po kaming mga content in mind. Again, the purpose is to actually educate our seafarers. We want this to be informative and at the same time entertaining. So para po ito sa ating mga kabaro. And please also help us in spreading the news. So if you can invite your fellow marineros to like and follow our page, we'd appreciate that. We're also on YouTube, by the way. So you can also subscribe to our YouTube so you get notified, no? Click that like button and click that notification button, yung subscribe button in YouTube, so that you're notified every time that we produce a show or a segment. Yeah. So let me prepare for our last winner for the night. Osman, do you have anything to say to our viewers, my friend?
Oh, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed. And please support us. We want to bring in more content. We want to expand. We want to do way more, but this is just a stepping stone to a brighter future.
And world peace.
World peace. I feel like
And let's see, Hazel. Hi, Hazel from Australia.
Okay.
Oh, Miguel said,
Hazel.
wait, memorable though that photo because that was from his familiarization voyage aboard training vessel from Hong Kong to Singapore. I will never forget the hardships of the seafarers. For viewers' information po, si Mr. Miguel Rocha is the CEO of CF Sharp. So, maritime related siya. Baka, hindi alam nung iba.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nice. You know, it's always nice to experience something that you don't really do a lot or every day, diba? Osman, have you ever been on board a ship?
No.
You haven't? You haven't, ba?
No.
Wow, you should experience that, man. It's nice. You know, traveling, seeing all the waters for like 3 days, 5 days, depending on the length of travel. I've before that's when I go to Gensan before I used I ride ships because you get to experience, diba? That's three days. I think 3 days. Yeah, that 2 days, 3 nights. 3 days, 2 nights to travel. So, but it's good. It's nice. It's nice. It's scary at first, but it's it's more adventurous than than boarding a plane. Someone's joining us, Lou.
Oh, Lou is my friend also from Hawaii.
Hi, Lou.
Hi, Lou.
Oh, he's your microphone.
Yeah. Hey, Lou. Thanks for joining.
There we go.
How's the
Can you hear us? Lou?
Hi, Lou.
Wait, I think his net is a bit slow.
Yeah, his net is a bit. Anyway, so guys, we have 4 minutes to go before we end our live.
We forgot to draw the last one.
Yeah, nah,
we were about
the
to
last
draw
one.
I draw it now.
Is Filipino Joe exotic in here? Nah, Joe, he disconnected. I don't know. He came and he also then. Oh, there he is. Lou's online. Hey, Lou.
Hi,
Hey,
Lou.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for joining us.
Say hello to our viewers also.
Can you hear us?
All right, let's pick the fourth winner before we wrap this up.
It's connecting his audio. There we go. Okay. Dude, your mic is muted. Your mic is muted, man.
What about now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, Lou.
God.
Joe said he was on
Congrats.
earlier.
Yeah, he came, but then he left. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
welcome to our show, Lou.
Hello, hi guys. Hi Wendell, Arian.
Hi, Lou.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah.
You joined a bit late, but thank you for joining us.
Are you guys finished or?
We're
almost.
We're just getting started.
Okay. All right.
Let's start to say goodbye.
Sorry, man.
So this was for, what was this Zoom meeting for again? Sorry.
We're here to what's this again? We're handing out awards to seafarers and their families, and also introducing them to our show. We're having what we're going to be having for our future episodes.
Right.
Next week,
Right. We usually do this night every Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday nights. So it's just more of like a chill conversation with the group, with the guys. Right.
Cool.
So join us next time.
Just a short description on what Lou does for anyone who wants to, because Lou does graphic design / web editing.
Web design.
If everyone web design.
Oh,
There you go.
cool.
Yes.
So,
maybe you should drop your email at the comment section also, so that people will be you can share your information, so anyone who needs graphic design, contact Lou.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, sure, I'll leave it.
Yo, man, thank you for joining us, man.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, letting me join.
Join us again next week.
Okay, I'll be earlier next time.
Yeah, man, because we start by 8, so it's already 9. So yeah.
Sure.
1 minute to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Amping
mo diha tanan. Good night.
Good night, everybody. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Next time.